I'm unmolding these after 2 years. 2 years ago, I bought this DIY bubble candle kit and filmed the entire process. But I never uploaded, don't ask why. So today we are finishing what we started. In this video, I'll show you how I made these bubble candles. The kit came with wicks, instruction manual which your girl doesn't need, pre-measured wax, silicone bubble mold, fragrance oil and wax dyes. I started by melting the wax using the double boiler method. Meanwhile, I prepared my molds. Once the wax was fully melted, I mixed in the fragrance oil and color. After that, I carefully poured the wax into the bubble mold and let it sit undisturbed. And that's where the project paused. At the time, I thought I'd finish this right away, but I never came back to it.
I don't even know what condition these are in.
About to find out what 2 years did to them. Okay, not bad. These actually turned out better than I expected. And I originally planned to add these little heart details, so I'm doing it now. And if you've been sitting on something for way too long, take this video as a sign to finish it. Seeing this finished after so long feels so different. Not because it's perfect, but because it's finally done.